Wildfire alert from Jefferson County Sheriff's Office. Level 2B set to evacuate from Deschutes Campground at Cove Palisades, along Deschutes River and Campground. Be ready to evacuate at a moment's notice. Act early if there is any reason you might need extra time. Leave right away if you feel you are in immediate danger. If conditions change quickly, this may be the only alert you receive. If you will need assistance evacuating persons with additional needs, call Frontier Regional 911 Center at 541-384-2080. If you are experiencing an immediate life safety issue, call 911.